Hello everyone, in this video I will share with you how to transfer video from iPhone to PCWTIH share it. Watch this video until the end, pay attention to what I do in this video. Make sure you have downloaded the Share It application on your iPhone or PC. To download the Share It application on your laptop, you can watch it first, video link in the description. Next, you can open the file that you sent from your iPhone to your laptop. To find out where the files received from Share IT are stored, go to Share IT settings. And you can change the storage location. Okay guys, I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to click subscribe and press the bell button so you get notifications of the latest videos from this channel.